hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some
3, 2, 1.
I confess the rhythm
Mouth
takes
corner.
over.
20
No
seconds.
room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's so
Start with your
loud,
mouth closed. Stretch your mouth into a smile, then purse it. Return to the starting position and repeat it.
it's smooth and sweet. Like honey dripping from a golden lake. It's the soundtrack to my
The neck, cheek firm. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Close and purse your mouth, then move it from one side to the other. The next, smiling fish face. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Close your mouth and suck your cheeks in, then try to smile but hold this position. The neck, Marilyn. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Start with your mouth closed. Purse your lips and blow a kiss. Hold it for a few seconds, relax and repeat. The neck, lips queen. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Use your index fingers and thumbs to squeeze your lips. The next, lip corner lifting. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Place the tips of your index and middle fingers under your lower lip. Massage by dragging your fingers to reach your cheekbones. Last exercise, press around mouth. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Place the tips of your index and middle fingers under your lower lip. Press around your mouth. Please apply a little pressure as you massage.